Imagine a vast expanse of endless darkness and quiet waters stretching infinitely beneath an untouched sky. From this primordial mystery, a radiant figure emerges. Tagaloa, the supreme creator god of Samoa, gazing down upon a formless ocean world. With a vision radiating divine power, he reaches into the depths, crafting the very bedrock of existence, shaping islands from the waves.
His hands weave life itself, setting the dawn of humanity in motion. This is where creation begins. Let's begin. How often do we look at the islands around us, lush lands rising from the ocean, and appreciate the story behind their existence? In Samoan mythology, these islands are not just landforms, but the physical remnants of a divine act by Tagaloa, the chief among deities who brought form, life, and order to the universe. Before him, there was only the boundless cosmos of dark waters and sky. From this vast silence, Tagaloa emerged, a solitary figure embodying divine authority and creative power. The air was thick with the scent of salt and the unknown, and the cool touch of ocean spray hinted at the potential beneath the waves. Tagaloa first bent his gaze upon a rock he fashioned from the ocean floor. The rock Manua Tele, the greater Manua, the resting place he created for himself. This was a strong, solid foundation, symbolizing stability in the midst of the chaos of water and Scotland. Proud of his work, he broke this great rock into pieces, scattering them across the waters to form the islands of Samoa, Fiji, and Tonga. Each island, sculpted with care, bore unique shapes and textures, an enduring testament to his creative determination. Over these new lands, Tagaloa sent down a sacred vine, the fio, to spread its leaves over the rocks. As the leaves fell and decayed, tiny worms appeared, but these creatures lacked vital parts. No heads, no limbs, no hearts. Seeing this, Tagaloa descended to the islands, compassionate and exacting. He gifted the worms with heads, arms, and legs. He breathed life into them with beating hearts. Through this act, humanity was born, people with spirit, will, thought, and the capacity for choice. Not only did Tagaloa create the physical bodies of humankind, but he also bestowed the intangible essences that make us who we are. Alongside humans, he composed the natural world, the sky, land, sea, trees, and crafted 9 heavens above, an ordered space connecting the divine and earthly realms. On each island, he placed pairs of male and female humans, setting the foundation for life and society. This story from Samoa is more than a creation myth. It teaches foundational truths relevant even today. First, Tagaloa's act of dividing a great whole, the rock Manua Tele, into islands reflects the importance of balance and distribution. From one solid source, diverse lands and communities arose, signifying that unity and diversity coexist. In modern life, this reminds us that from shared origins, we can have varied identities, cultures, and perspectives that enrich a broader whole. Secondly, Tagaloa's gift of life to the worms underscores the belief that humanity is not merely physical, but animated by spirit and intention. To have a beating heart, a will, and a mind is essential. We are more than bodies. We are agents with purpose. Today, this invites us to acknowledge our responsibility to nurture our inner selves, recognizing that who we are informs how we live and relate to others. Lastly, the establishment of order through appointed chiefs like Manua teaches the value of governance rooted in divine authority and respect for traditional structures. Tagaloa did not simply create chaos. He instilled laws and systems that regulated society, linking the heavens to the earth. This reflects the continuous human need for structure that allows communities to flourish harmoniously, whether through leadership, customs, or shared values. Tagaloa's creation narrative thus connects us across time, reminding us that creation is an ongoing process grounded in balance, spirit, and order. A golden dawn spills across the horizon, illuminating the sacred rock Manuatele as the first light touches its weathered surface. From the sky, luminous strands of the sacred vine unfurl gracefully over the scattered islands, leaves shimmering in a gentle breeze.
Tagaloa stands towering above the seas, hands extended in blessing over the land and its fresh-born inhabitants. 9 gleaming heavens arc in an ethereal display above the lush archipelago, a celestial canopy linking earth to the divine. If you're feeling lost amid conflicting demands and fragmented parts of your life, remember Tagaloa's lesson of balance and unity from a shared origin. Take one small action today. Identify a single area where you feel divided or scattered and deliberately bring together at least 2 aspects of it: your work and your values, your relationships and your self-care, even in a simple way. This recenters your life as Tagaloa did with the islands. If you found value in this story, please subscribe for more insights and narratives that connect ancient wisdom with modern living. Stay rooted in the wisdom of the ages.